Hey everyone. I felt really bad that I couldn't join tonight's data science office hours because it's actually midnight here in New York. So I decided to create this separate submission and just provide some of my thoughts on data visualization. All right, so what is data visualization? Basically, it's a way of representing data in a way that is easy to consume by the audience. So there's a saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, in this case, data visualization is worth 1,000 or several thousands of lines of code or data rows. The reason why I feel that data visualization is important and I have a great passion for it is because it allows us to communicate, and by us I mean data analysts, data scientists, to communicate with a broader audience by showing them what we mean with the picture, right? Humans are visual creatures. We can see a picture and we can remember it better, we can understand it better, and we can see outliers, we can see trends in a much clearer way than we can when we look at, let's say, an Excel sheet full of data. Data visualization often leads to quicker decision making because people can see insights in a much faster way and they can see what the trends are and they can make a decision based on that data. Some of the challenges that I've had personally in terms of data visualization is specifically working with Tableau is people in my organization aren't fully bought into the interactivity that Tableau provides. So Tableau is basically a software that you can use to visualize large data sets using different databases, SQL, you can go to Excel or a CSV file and you can quickly visualize that data. And the cool part about that tool is it allows you to have interactive filters, drop downs, you can click on something and or see something on a hover. And what I've faced in my firm is there are several people that are, amazed by this and they're fully on board, but there are others that are hesitant because they're very used to the PowerPoint or the PDFs in terms of viewing dashboards and, disseminating that information. So I think it is a bit of a challenge, but I think it's something we'll overcome with enough education and just by showing people that there's a way to go around it. So what I've done personally is I create a dashboard that has interactivity, but also looks good if you just print it to PDF. So the way I usually approach data visualization is I always start with a question or several questions that I would like to answer. For example, which is the product category that had the most amount of sales in the year 2014, right? Something specific that we can answer with a question is usually a good place to start. And then also keep the audience in mind. What does the audience want to see and what do they prefer in terms of seeing something visually? So you kind of have to guess, and over time you'll learn what your audience works best with. I would also suggest that try to keep it simple. So if you have a dashboard, try to limit to about 3 to 4 different worksheets or types of charts in that dashboard so your audience or user can easily consume it and not be confused or overwhelmed by all the different moving parts in the dashboard. All right, Data Science Office Hours, guys. Thank you so much for letting me submit this video. And again, I'm sorry I couldn't make it